Hi, my name is Caren, and I want to invite you to the best pool spa in the country. This is where we spend our best time. And thanks to Water's Choice and our little enzymes, I hope you can see the little bottle, all we need is a capful every other week, and we maintain the water sparkling, clean, and beautiful, refreshing, and inviting all the time. I have to tell you that I used to have eczema on my leg whenever I went to a public swimming pool. It was awful. With the Water's Choice enzymes, the water is always clean, and I've never had any more eczema at all. We haven't changed the water in the pool, I can tell you, for almost 4 years, and it's still sparkling, clean, and well balanced. I check it every couple of days with the strips, and all I have to use are about 3 tablespoons of chlorine. I was so much against the bromide and the chlorine and the chemicals and all the things. I didn't want that on my skin or in my house. And thanks to Water's Choice, I don't have to use any of that. Really happy with my enzymes. I think you will be too.